What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today, guys, is Valentine's Day, February 14th, and I just want to give a special thanks to you guys. This weekend, I did hit my 200 subscription goal. I'm at 203 right now. I know that is not a lot of subscriptions to a lot of you, but to me, every subscription, every small goal that I make, that I hit, it does mean a lot to me. So today, guys, we are going to go over week 7 of my $15,000 52-week dividend and option trade strategy. So let's get started. Alright, guys, so first thing you guys can see that my total market value is at $113,202.53. So we break this down in equity of money that I actually have invested is at $57,084.10. And of course, I am using margins. Margins used, I am at $56,118.43. So if you look at my portfolio here, I am up on Friday. I am up 0.69%, after hours 0.05%. For the week, I was down 5.59 or just under 1%. For the month, I am up 58.94 or up 11.5%. The 3-month, we all know about that, the big dip that I had, and I did make a pretty good comeback, but I'm up $21,110 or about 58% up. 1 year, I'm up 12,290, 27% up. And all time, guys, so far, I'm up $7,872, and that's at 16%. So the moves that I did make, guys, was a little bit of a boring week, just to be honest with you. Couldn't get a lot of huge buys, but with at&t, I was able to sell a call. I'm trying to get a premium at $5, but at&t has been moving very slowly, but still getting a premium at $2, 10 contracts. I did make $20 off of it. Energy transfer here, I did do 13 contracts originally. I did buy 2 back to sell, to buy into Apple to get me that 100 shares, but I did end up making $24 in profit. If you look at EPD, I did do a profit of $15 with 3 contracts. It did expire worthless. I still am holding on to my Microsoft and my 2 new residence options here. Apple, I bought that midweek. I was hoping that it would go up, but it did not. It fell just slightly. So I just did on the same day. You can do option trades now on Robinhood same day, I believe before 3 o'clock. I think I did this at like 1 o'clock. I was able to make just $5 off of it. Something's better than nothing. It did expire worthless. Hillian, I did try to go in on this the first week on the 4th. I did think it was going to go up, and it didn't. So I bought it. I sold it back at a loss of $21. I did see it went back down. I did another buy call at a $15.50 strike price. It cost me $61. It did pay off a little bit, so I basically made the money back here at $22, and then it went back down. So on the 11th, I did do another strike price. And the crazy thing about this, guys, I made $61 off of this, but after I saw it went up about 3%, I sold it back, but it went up about 20% later in that day. So I could have sold this, I believe, as high as $500. But honestly, for me, anything over 25 to 50%, I'm just going to take the profit, because it could always go back down, especially if you've been watching Hillian. It's definitely been going down here. And obviously, guys, you guys know what's going on with AMC. I did make money initially. I did buy back in the shares, but I'm ended up just going to hold this, see what happens. It's not a lot of money in the portfolio. It's less than 1%. So I'm just going to hold on to this, see if it goes back to break even, or I might sell some call options on it once I can see that it's at a steady pace. So if we check out the long-term dividend strategy here, all the option trades that I made on here and the dividends I got paid out, I think if at&t is under $29.50 or possibly under $30, all the money I probably will reinvest into at&t. So I was able to purchase 23 shares just with the option trades that I did and the dividend that I got. So total market value of the stocks that I currently have that I'm doing the option strategy with is at $111,424. Like I said, I'm trying to get to at least $15,000 in profit just off of dividends and option trading. So far it's been doing pretty good. So if you look at the stock side here, I did lose a little bit on at&t. I'm at a profit of $5. Realty and Income has been on a pretty good tear. I'm up $5.96 now. Microsoft as well. Best buy so far that I've got out of all the stocks, dollar wise, may not be percentage wise, but I'm up almost 2,300 bucks. Energy Transfer here, the $54 is when I sold it, just the 200 shares to buy Apple, but I still ended up making $368 in the profit. Apple, I'm down $74, which is no big deal. I'm still happy at the price I got Apple for, because I do expect them to go up sooner than later, and in the long run I do plan on them to go up. So with call options for Apple specifically, I may wait a few weeks to try to do a call option, because obviously last time I owned Apple, I did a call option and I had to sell the shares because it shot up so much with their earnings. EPD had a good turnaround. I was at 120 negative. I'm at 123 positive now. Stock sold here. I obviously sold my Jets ETF. So total profit I made just with all the stocks that I've had to sell is $997. New Residential did go down a little bit. Their earnings call was not in my favor. So I am still positive at $20. But guys, if you look at the total amount just on the share side, and this is not including my goal. Like I said, my goal is on the dividend and option side. But if the stock goes up, that's definitely obviously a positive. So I'm up $4,383. But if I were to guess, I can get $15,000 off the option dividend, and I was hoping to get at least $15,000 off of the stock side. But right now, just 7 weeks in, I'm up $4,383, which is amazing. So let's go to the dividend side, guys, and option side. I did get $20 in the option trades. Didn't do anything with Microsoft or Realty Income right now. 24 off Energy Transfer. Apple, I got $5. And APD, I have not had them long, but I did get a dividend pay of $135. $15 on the option trade. Other trades I made was the Hillian trades, plus and minus, equaled out to $62 in the positive. New Resident, no option trades there. So total for this week, like I said, it was a little bit of a boring week, but it was at $258, which is always good because it's in a positive. So week 7, I am up in option trade and dividends at $2,253, and I believe I do have 2 more dividends that will be paying me this month, and Microsoft will be paying me dividend next month as well. So far, guys, like I said, I'm up about $6,500, $6,600 just in 7 weeks. I'm definitely on the right track to be hitting my goal. I'm very excited to see how this is going to turn out. I think week 8 will be a great week as well. Hopefully, the other stocks like at&t and Realty Income, the Energy Transfer will start to go up. Apple, I hope, will go up as well. But for the most part, I am very happy with the outcome that's on there. And also next week, I will do my February margin and gold payment. I believe it should be around the same price, if not just a little bit more. So like I said, thank you guys for getting me to 200 subscriptions. 300 is going to be the next goal. So definitely, guys, if you like what you hear and see, if you have any questions, but definitely hit the subscribe, the like, and comment below. Thank you guys. Have a great Valentine's Day.